Gods help us. They're breaking my lady. I've got to find the king, now.
Drop it! That's mine! Fias gave it to me!
Fine craft. How could a shabby minstrel afford such a treasure? Tell me, where did you steal it from?
It's his family heirloom. Don't you dare call it theft.
An heirloom? From a beggar? It must be stripped from the dead.
I wondered how Apollo's sacred relic could be here. It seems I was mistaken.
Fias may not have divine blood like you, but that doesn't mean commoners are unworthy of holding something precious.
All this fuss for a trash? And you cling to it like a starving dog with a bone? Pathetic.
You've stained our name marrying that beggar. And this piece of metal, it seems your beloved didn't think you were worth much. Pathetic.
Give it back. Right now!
You want it? Fine. Pay for it. Kneel before the sacred tree. Swear to Apollo that you sever the name of Demetrius forever. And I'll give you this trash.
You! Father, say something! Will you let her strip me of my name? Am I not your own blood?
You disgraced this family! Ruined our honor! From now on, I only have one daughter, Eris. Eris.
This hollow family. All it knows is plotting and exploiting one another. No warmth, no honor. I would sooner leave with dignity than rot in this place.
So be it. I, Irene, do hereby sever all ties. The house of Demetrius is dead to me. We are strangers.
Trading your birthright for a beggar? How pathetic. But don't worry, Irene. We ceased to place any hope in you a long time ago.
Is that what you have long desired, Father? Why should I stay and be a thorn in your side?
You!
I swore the oath. Give me the pendant.
So fast, Irene. You've given up our name. Now you suffer our laws.
Bring the oil-soaked wood from the altars. Line the courtyard with the path of sacred fire! What are you plotting, Eris?
My lord! It's Lady Irene! She's in danger! Irene? What do you mean?
It's those mortal fools! They're abusing Lady Irene in the Demetrius house!
What? Hear me! Summon the high solar guards! To the chariots! We descend on Athens!
Where are you going, my king? Queen Leto said—
Get lost!
This pendant means everything to you, right? Then prove it. Walk the path of sacred fire. Barefoot. If you're truly innocent, the fire won't bite, will it? Cross it, or I'll let the flames have your little treasure forever.
You've lost your mind?
Scared already? It seems that your love falls apart the second things get hot.
Oh? Changed your mind? Guess you don't really care about this trash after all.
No! Eris, don't! Fios is the only soul who ever truly saw me. This isn't just a pendant, it's his heart. I won't let these monsters spit on it. Fine. I'll do it.
You're throwing your life away for this trash? You're out of your mind, Irene!
Unbelievable! Our precious lady is burning for a beggar. That music boy must be pretty damn good if you're willing to fry for him. What a joke.
I mean, what else could a minter even give you? Poor thing. I guess when you have nothing, even a piece of junk feels like a treasure.
I come to you with nothing, Irene. Only this pendant. It has been with me since my very first breath, and now I give it to you.
I'm getting it back, Forius. Whatever it takes. I promise.
Irene, just hang in there.
I did it. The pendant, Iris. Give back. Oh, you really want it? Go on then. Fetch. Crawl for it like the pathetic little stray you are. If you reach it, it's yours. Honestly, Irene, are you actually doing this? Is that trash really worth your dignity? I got you back. Finally. You actually believe that trash is special? You're so devoted to your little minster, aren't you? But Irina, if that fire takes your beauty, do you think he'll look at you the same way?
Iris! You poisoned your own heart to ruin me! But mark my words, the gods will rot you for this! There's no mercy for a monster like you!
The gods?
I'm the gods' favorite! I'll torture you! I'll bury you in the dirt where you belong! You'll be a filthy rat in the gutter, while the whole world bows to me!
Burn her! Let her feel it! Show this little traitor what it costs to spit on our bloodline! Get on her! Touch her and die! Irene!
Click the link to watch the full series.